Hi, I'm Tracy from Cheese Needs, and I finally got my hands on some Challerhocker. I'm gonna have some Challerhocker. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, got it to room temp, because you have to get it to room temp. The rind is fragrant, there's fruity. Because the rind's made of paper, I'm assuming you can't eat that. Waste as little as possible. This stuff goes for $100 a kilo. Got some eyes in it. All right, this is 1 year old, minimum of 1 year old. Not even going to try and pronounce where it's made, but it's made by Walter Rass. And here we go. Piece closest to the rind so we get most of the flavour. Well, that's just a party. Creamy, floral, grassy, obviously. But there's notes of umami in there. There's sort of a broth, crystals, but also creamy on the tongue. There's that burst of flavour at the end. It kind of dances on your taste buds. And then boom. Oh, that is exceptionally good. Now I know why everybody loves this cheese. Unfortunately, my nearest purveyor of Challerhocker is in Vancouver, which is a 10-hour drive. I can't think of anything I don't like about this cheese. I think probably 20 people have recommended this cheese to me. I'll try and remember to tag you all. The smell's developing as the temperature's rising. What have we got? A pound of this, $45. So 454 grams. Yeah, worth every penny. So if you know of somewhere closer to Prince George where I can get Challerhocker, let me know, because Les Amis de Fromage, wonderful shop, is a very long way away. And I might just have a new favourite cheese. Well, that's exceptional. So yeah, Challerhocker. Everybody who recommended Challerhocker to me, you were right. You managed to get me a piece without the creepy dude on. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look up the label for this. Challerhocker. There's a creepy dude. Oh yeah, this is good. Worth the wait.